For this, I would like to invite His Excellency Ahad Khan Chima, Minister for Economic Affairs of Pakistan, and His Excellency Wang Wentao, Minister of Commerce of China. Thank you, Excellencies. Now we have the exchange of minutes of 13th Joint Cooperation Committee meeting of CPEC and the minutes of 7th Joint Working Group on Gwadar under CPEC.
下面交换的是中巴经济走廊联委会第13次会议纪要和中巴经济走廊联合工作组第7次会议纪要两份文件。
For these two, I would like to invite His Excellency Professor Ahsan Iqbal, Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives of Pakistan, and His Excellency Liu Sushi, Vice Chairman, National Development and Reform Commission of China. Thank you, Excellencies. Then we have the MOU of promoting cooperation of livelihood working group of CPEC. It will be exchanged between His Excellency Luo Jiaohui, Chairman, China International Development Cooperation Agency, and His Excellency Professor Ahsan Iqbal, Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives of Pakistan. Thank you, Excellencies. Now we have 3 MOUs and 2 letters of exchange being exchanged between the Economic Affairs Division of Pakistan and China International Development Cooperation Agency. For this exchange, I would like to again invite His Excellency Ahad Khan Chima, Minister for Economic Affairs of Pakistan, and His Excellency Luo Jiaohui. The first one being exchanged is MOU on strengthening cooperation in the field of information and communication. Second one is MOU of promoting cooperation on water conservancy facilities, flood control, and calamity reduction. The third one is on strengthening security cooperation. Fourth one is letter of exchange on human resource development under the GDI. Fifth one is letter of exchange of the assistant program of firefighting vehicles to Islamabad city. Thank you, Excellencies. Next, we have the protocol on the export of animal meat to China.
于巴基斯坦肉类输华的议定书。
It is being exchanged between the General Administration of Customs of China and the Ministry of National Food Security and Research of Pakistan.
议定书由中方海关总署与巴方国家食品安全与研究部签署。
For its exchange, I would like to invite His Excellency Rana Tanveer Hussain, Minister for National Food Security and Research of Pakistan, and His Excellency Qiang Zaidong, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Thank you, Excellencies.
谢谢。
Moving forward, there is MOU on supporting the construction of joint laboratories.
下面将交换的是关于共同支持联合实验室建设的谅解备忘录。
It will be exchanged between Mr. Sajid Baloch, Secretary, Ministry of Science and Technology of Pakistan, and His Excellency Qiang Zaidong, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
有请江在东大使和巴方科技部常秘萨吉德交换文本。
Thank you, Excellencies.
谢谢。
Next, we have the agreement on co-production of TV programs.
下面交换的是关于合作制作电视节目的协议。
It will be exchanged between Ms. Ambreen Jan, Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of Pakistan, and His Excellency Qiang Zaidong, Ambassador of People's Republic of China.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।